Hello students, welcome in business studies class. And in business studies last video we studied the external sources of recruitment. There are 10 types, 10 sources of external from where we select an employee. And today we will discuss benefits and disadvantages of external sources of recruitment. So first of all, advantages of external sources of recruitment. Then first advantage is qualified and experienced personnel. When the organization choose the new employee from external sources, new employees will come, and that they are qualified and experienced. So organization take advantage for qualified and experienced personnel. Second is wide choice means in front of human resource manager they have wide choice, means if the manager want two or three employee and applications are 20 and 30, so that uh, human resource manager has wider choice to choose two and three best personnel from the uh, 20 30 applicants. Third is the fresh talent. Fresh talent means due to change in technology time period there will be new, each and every person has new talent, then fresh talent, infusion of new blood will come in the organization and they do their work with efficiently. So fresh talent is also available by the external sources of recruitment. Next is competitive spirit. And when the recruitment has been done by the external sources of recruitment, then in the present employee and existing employees have the competitive spirit. उनके बीच में new employee and old employee there is an element of competition is grow, and it become more improving the growth. So there is an element of competition with the internal candidates. Next is these are the advantages of external sources: qualified and experienced personnel, wide choice, fresh talent, competitive spread. Now we discuss the disadvantages of external sources of recruitment, because each and every coin has two pros, that advantages and disadvantages. External sources has also some disadvantage. First is the dissatisfaction and frustration among existing employees. These disadvantages are also called limitations. And when every situation organization get the employee from the external sources, it create dissatisfaction and frustration among existing employees, because they thought that the every time organization choose the new employees and continuously he's select the new employees, and it create dissatisfaction and frustration among the existing employees. They are not satisfied their work. Next is the time consuming. You know about the staffing process is a very lengthy process. There are the 8 steps which take time, so that this recruitment, this external sources of recruitment is a time consuming process. Third is very costly. This staffing process is lengthy and costly because lot of the expenses have been done to choose the new employees from external sources. Next is uncertainty. Qualified and experienced personnel may not be appointed. Sometimes it becomes as uncertainty for external sources of recruitment may be qualified, and maybe his first appearance is a good, but he is that personnel is qualified and experienced, may not be appointed. So these are the limitations of external sources: dissatisfaction and frustration, time consuming, very costly, and uncertainty. Next topic is the what is the difference between internal sources and external sources of recruitment. So Internal source is quick process, on the spot we can get the decision for promotion of the existing employee, transfer of the existing employee. But external sources recruitment is a lengthy process, because we give advertisement, applicants will come, and when then we take the select them, it is a lengthy process. Second is the less expensive. Internal source of recruitment is a less expensive. There is a no time consuming, not efforts consuming, and this external sources of recruitment is costly process. Third is the by the when we select the employees from the internal sources, it create motivation among the staff members. It motivate the existing staff member to grow more and more. But when the every time personnel are selected from the external sources, existing workers, existing employees become dissatisfied, and they feel frustration among their mind. Next is the limited choice. When employees are choose from internal source, it is a limited choice, because no one organization has lot of extra employees to adjust another department. But in the external sources, there are wide choice of candidates. So these are the differences between internal sources and external sources. I hope you understand this concept, and thank you and have a nice day.